Hello class, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, our topic is all about the domain and range of logarithmic function. So first, define muna natin ano bang ibig sabihin ng domain and range. So the domain of the function is the set of all possible values of the independent variable x, while the range of the function are the corresponding values of the dependent variable y. Ibig sabihin, ang domain natin guys, ito yung list or set of all possible values of x, while the range naman is the set of all possible values of y. Okay? So in the case of logarithmic function, its domain is defined as the set of all positive real numbers. So ibig sabihin, yung x natin dapat greater than 0 lang. While its range naman is set of all real numbers. Okay, so ang tatandaan nyo lang dito guys, yung x natin is dapat positive. Ibig sabihin, ang tinutukoy niya dito is yung ating argument. Okay, kung ito yung ating logarithmic function, ang argument natin is yung x minus 1. Ibig sabihin, dapat hindi siya maging negative pag nag-assign tayo ng values ng x. Okay? So, try natin i-identify yung domain and range ng ating logarithmic function. So, number 1, we have y equals the logarithm of x minus 1 with base 3 minus 3. So, identify natin si domain. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, dapat yung argument natin is greater than 0. Tama? So, that is x minus 1 greater than 0. Then, solve natin si x by using addition property. So, we have x is greater than positive 1. Tama? So, ito na ngayon guys yung ating domain. So, ang domain ng ating logarithmic function is the set of all x such that x is greater than positive 1. Okay? So, in interval notation naman, that is 1, infinity. Nakuha guys? Then for the range, tandaan, ang logarithmic function ay may range na the set of all y such that y is the set of all real numbers. Okay? So, wala tayong restriction for the range. So, in interval notation, that is equivalent to negative infinity, positive infinity, or infinity na lang. Nakuha? So, let's proceed to example number 2. We have y equals logarithm of x plus 4 with base 1 over 3. So, again, to find the domain, iset lang natin yung ating argument na greater than 0. Dapat hindi siya maging negative. Tama? Then, solving for x by using the subtraction property, that is x is greater than negative 4. Tama? So, ang domain natin dito guys is the set of all x such that x is greater than negative 4. Okay? So, in interval notation, that is negative 4, infinity. Nakuha guys? Then for the range, again, ang range natin is walang restriction. So, that is the set of all y such that y is greater than y is the set of all real numbers. Nakuha? So, in interval notation, that is negative infinity to positive infinity. Okay? So, next, let's have the example number 3. Find the domain and range of y equals the logarithm of 4x plus 16 with base 2 minus 2. So, again, set natin yung ating argument. That is 4x plus 16 is greater than 0. Okay? Then, solving for x, that is 4x is greater than negative 16. Then, divide both sides of the inequality by 4. So, we have x is greater than negative 4. Tama? So, we can now identify the domain. So, ang domain natin, guys, is the set of all x such that x is greater than -4, or in interval notation, that is -4 to infinity. Okay? Then, for the range naman, we have the set of all y such that y is the set of all real numbers. Or, this is -infinity to positive infinity. Nasusundan ba, guys? So, last, number 4, we have y equals the logarithm of 3x minus 4 minus 4. So, set natin si argument. We have 3x minus 4 greater than 0. Then, solving for x, we have 3x is greater than 4. Then, divide both sides of the inequality by 3. That is, x is greater than 4/3. Okay? So, ang domain na natin ngayon, we have the set of all x such that x is greater than 4/3. Okay? So, in interval notation, that is 4/3 to infinity. Nakuha, guys? Then, for the range, we have the set of all y such that y is the set of all real numbers. Okay? Or, from -infinity to positive infinity. Okay? So, naintindihan ba, guys, kung paano kinukuha yung domain and range ng isang logarithmic function? So, this is the end of our video. If you have questions or clarifications, kindly put them in the comment section below. Thank you, guys, for watching. This is Prof. D. I'll catch you on the flip side. Bye!